Hello, we're from Group 6. These are the members of Group 6. My name is Radhika. My name is Davi. My name is Rifan. And another members are aka Donnie and Bagaz. Here we will PROV idea tutorial for crimping cables. Okay, let's go. Tools and materials. Pliers crimping. CABLEUTP. CONNECTORRJ45. Tester. Let's go to step 1. Peel the cable skin with crimping pliers. Tidy ITUP, then sort the colors. This is the order of the colors: white, orange, orange, white, green, blue, white, blue, green, white, brown, brown. Cut Todi D up. Insert the cable in both connectors. Then press using crimping pliers. Dossier mio NC other side. If you have done Thetis to Singa tester. Thanks for watching.